Man, I know my ECE course requirements, but UIUC just offers such a large variety of fascinating courses to learn from. How do I know which classes to take? Now, introducing the world's best course recommender. This gives you the power to produce your choice schedule with various combinations of classes that this recommender recommends to you. This web app utilizes React on the front end and SQL, MongoDB, JavaScript, and Python on the back end. I recommend this recommender that recommends courses to you.
So to go over the basic functionality, I'm going to do a quick demo of how our web app works. So to start out, let's go ahead and add a user named Joe with the NetID Joe2 who is in ECE. Let's say he's taken ECE 391 and he is interested in electronics. So let's go ahead and add him as a user. And then we can see at the very bottom that Joe is included in our database. So let's go back. To demonstrate the other basic functionalities, we are going to go ahead and show that when we search the user by the NetID, that he shows up at the bottom of our screen. So we can see Joe to his NetID, his major ECE, his course, and the topic. Now let's go ahead and update his major from ECE to CS. Once again, at the bottom, we can see that his major has updated correctly. And then let's go ahead and show the main functionality of this, the recommendations by NetID option. So like we said, his topic was electronics. So when we go ahead and put in his NetID again, Joe2, and click recommendations by NetID, we see at the bottom a list of courses that are related to electronics, such as semiconductor electronics, optical electronics, and so forth. Now, also, we can see that if we try and delete the user by NetID, he will no longer be at the bottom of our database. Now, let's go ahead and show you some other examples of our recommenders. So we have another NetID, and you could see, if you saw previously, she was interested in deep learning. So when we click on recommendations by NetID, we output the course Deep Learning for her, which is a good course. This user, which I'm putting in right now, was interested in probability. So if we click on recommendations by NetID, we actually output multiple courses, such as techniques for engineering decisions, probability to engineering, digital signal processing, which actually deals with probability, and so forth. I think a unique feature of our web app we can show this with this user. So this user was interested in networking. However, the actual course networking is not offered next semester, so we recommended a course security, which deals with networking heavily in the curriculum, which is interesting. So then, other than that, what we have here are three other buttons. Our MongoDB database button, all it does is it shows like all of the courses in our MongoDB database, if in case you want to check that out. And we can go ahead and go back again by scrolling to the bottom. And then since we had to include two interesting queries, we also included an output here, so it's easier to see rather than going through our code and trying to figure that out. So our interesting Mongo query included finding all the 3 or 4 credit hour CS courses. So as you can see, we have outputted all the CS courses that are for undergrad or graduate, because they are both 3 or 4 credit hour classes. Lastly, our last interesting query included a join and is written in SQL, and all it does is it joins our first database, which has just the student's name, NetID, all the basic inputs, along with our second database, which actually joins the NetID with the recommended courses. So then we just outputted like their NetID, name, and then 2 things you would find in the first database, and then a couple of things that you would find in the second one, such as like a course that was recommended for them, and the course number along with it. And that pretty much concludes the main functionality of our web app.